Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bidet toilet seats that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect blend of hygiene, comfort, and value, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Clear-Ass Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat. This non-electric model offers a great entry point for those exploring bidet functionality without a hefty price tag. Designed to fit elongated toilets, it features dual nozzles for both rear and front washes, ensuring a versatile and ergonomic cleaning experience. Its adjustable water pressure allows users to fine-tune their comfort, while the self-cleaning nozzles enhance hygiene by cleaning themselves before and after use. The Clear-Ass bidet is built with a durable plastic construction and a slow-close toilet seat lid, which prevents slamming and adds to the overall longevity of the product. The non-slip bumpers on the bottom of the seat minimize shifting during use, creating a stable and secure experience. Installation is a breeze, with all necessary tools and hardware included, and step-by-step instructions to guide you. While the Clear-Ass bidet is simple and functional, it does lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as heated seats or warm water options. However, it's a fantastic choice for budget-conscious users who want a reliable, eco-friendly alternative to toilet paper. Pros include its easy installation, dual nozzles, and quiet close seat. Cons include the lack of warm water and limited adjustability options. If you're looking for a solid, basic bidet at an affordable price, the Clear-Ass is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Luxe Bidet NEO 185, a sleek, non-electric bidet attachment that adds a touch of luxury to your everyday routine. This model features dual wash modes, rear and feminine wash, making it an excellent choice for households with multiple users. The feminine wash is particularly gentle, catering to the needs of new or expecting mothers, or anyone looking for a softer cleaning option. The NEO 185 is built for durability and hygiene. Its high-pressure valves are made with metal ceramic cores, and the steel hoses ensure longevity compared to standard plastic fittings. The nozzles retract behind a guard gate after each use, providing additional sanitary protection. With an 18-month warranty, Luxe stands behind their product, offering peace of mind for your purchase. Installation is quick and straightforward, and the attachment fits most standard two-piece toilets. While it's a step up from the budget Luxe NEO 120, this model still lacks electrical features such as heated water. Nonetheless, for users seeking a simple, affordable upgrade that prioritizes hygiene and ease of use, the NEO 185 is an excellent option. Pros include its dual nozzles, durable build, and easy installation. Cons are the absence of warm water functionality and potential compatibility issues with one-piece toilets. This is a fantastic mid-range bidet attachment for anyone ready to elevate their bathroom game. At number 3, we have the Brondell Swash EcoSeat, a non-electric bidet toilet seat that blends functionality and sustainability. This model boasts a dual nozzle system for rear and front washes, catering to all users with its ambient water temperature setup. Its manual operation ensures that it's eco-friendly, requiring no electricity or batteries. The design is both practical and stylish, with a sturdy build and a gentle closing seat to prevent slamming. The textured chrome dial adds a touch of elegance, making it a great fit for modern bathrooms. Installing the Swash EcoSeat is hassle-free, with all necessary hardware included and no need for professional assistance. Additionally, Brondell is committed to sustainability, and this product aligns with their mission to reduce water and energy use. While it lacks some premium features like heated seats or warm water options, the Swash EcoSeat makes up for it with its reliable performance and eco-friendly design. Pros include its dual nozzle system, ease of installation, and sustainability focus. Cons are the lack of advanced features and limited adjustability. If you're seeking a manual, non-electric bidet seat that delivers excellent value, the Brondell Swash EcoSeat is a top contender. In the runner-up position, at number 2, is the Luxe Bidet NEO 120, an incredibly popular and budget-friendly option. This non-electric bidet attachment is a game changer for anyone looking to improve their hygiene while saving money on toilet paper. It features a single nozzle with a self-cleaning mechanism, ensuring a sanitary experience every time. The adjustable water pressure allows users to find their perfect setting, making it a versatile choice for everyone in the household. The NEO 120 is constructed with high-quality materials, including metal ceramic valves and steel hoses, which provide greater durability compared to plastic alternatives. Its sleek design blends easily into any bathroom decor, and installation is quick and straightforward, with all parts and tools included in the package. Luxe also offers an 18-month warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in this product. Although it lacks dual nozzles and warm water options, the NEO 120 excels as a no-frills effective bidet attachment. Pros include its affordability, durable build, and easy installation. Cons are the absence of advanced features like feminine wash or heated water. If you're looking for value without sacrificing quality, the Luxe Bidet NEO 120 is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the TOTO Washlet C5, a premium electronic bidet toilet seat that redefines luxury. This top-of-the-line model offers advanced features like adjustable warm water, a heated seat, and a warm hair dryer for a complete hands-free experience. The dual-action spray includes an oscillating option, providing a thorough and refreshing clean every time. The pre-mist function mists the toilet bowl before each use, preventing waste from sticking, while the eWater Plus technology automatically cleans the wand after every use. The Washlet C5 is designed with user comfort and convenience in mind. It includes a remote control with 2 user memory settings, allowing personalized water pressure and temperature preferences. The air deodorizer neutralizes bathroom odors, creating a spa-like atmosphere. Installation is straightforward, and TOTO's robust customer support ensures you're never left in the dark. While the price tag is on the higher end, the TOTO Washlet C5 delivers unmatched quality and reliability. Pros include its advanced features, luxurious design, and exceptional performance. Cons are the steep price and the need for an electrical outlet near your toilet. If you're ready to invest in the ultimate bidet experience, the TOTO Washlet C5 is the gold standard. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this comprehensive review of the top 5 best bidet toilet seats. If this video helped you in your decision-making process, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.